This is what I call the legacy computer, a coronavirus project made in 2020. As you can see, the front of it is mostly rectangular, whereas the sides are more triangular in nature. So let me give you a tour of this computer. You have the display monitor in front, and then on this side we have DVD drive, we have LED lights, power switch. This panel here has audio in and out for speakers and a microphone, as well as 2 USB ports. And then we have 2 intake fans. We also have a sturdy handle, one on each side, for carrying the computer. Now moving on to the back of the computer, we see there's a little cubby here, and if we open it, you can see that there's storage for an electrical cord. We can pull this out enough to plug it in. And then we can close the little door. It's got a magnetic catch there. Now continuing on to the other side, we have a computer speaker, and this is attached directly to the motherboard, and its purpose is to beep when the computer boots up, which you may not think is that important, but if there's a problem with the computer, the beeps will issue a code, and there's 20 different codes which give you diagnostics on what's wrong with the computer. So it is helpful. And then here we have a internet cable jack and another USB port, and we've got 2 exhaust fans, and of course no legacy computer would be complete without a floppy diskette drive, which we have right here. And back to the front, you'll see that these 2 sliders reveal the speakers. The display monitor has built-in speakers. They're small, but they provide sound for the system. And if you were to slide them back, it would reveal the control buttons. And you can see that the monitor is powered up with that LED light because I did plug it in. But once the monitor is set up for the brightness and resolution and so on, I really don't need to mess with those controls anymore. So for the most part, the sliders will be in a position that reveal only the speakers. And then in the front of the case, we have a drawer with storage for a full-size keyboard and mouse. I also have a mouse pad here. And we can go ahead and turn on the computer here. See the LED lights on now. IBM ThinkCentre computer running Windows XP Professional. And it actually boots up pretty quick because I have a solid state drive in there. And for being as old as this, it's actually a pretty nice computer. So now I want to give you a tour of the inside, and so this back panel comes off to reveal the inside of the computer. There's 6 screws. So we take these 6 screws out, take off the back panel. Affixed to the inside of the back panel is a pocket where I put in on a card, I put all the stickers that were on the monitor in the original computer. So I've got the Windows license and sticker from the monitor and the computer that has all the model numbers and everything on it. And inside the computer, see the display monitor here, it's exposed. Motherboard over here. I've got this electrical outlet box, which is kind of a funny thing, but it actually allows room, it allows an object for coiling extra wire around. I knew I'd have extra wire for the keyboard and the mouse and speaker, so it just gives a place to coil that extra wire, as well as making it so I just have one cord to plug in. I don't have a separate cord for the monitor. I made these little electrical connectors really small. Got a solid state disk drive, makes the computer fast. The power source here, I put in a chunk of PVC pipe so that the fan in the power supply unit would exhaust hot air outside of the case. And I've got a couple of fans over here for intake, switch, DVD drive, floppy disk drive. I bought this USB wireless card, so this is actually a wireless computer. Has Wi-Fi capability. It also has a standard Ethernet cable. Can't forget